Hello everybody, this is Baku Grand Prix recap. Okay, we saw that Nico Rosberg is back on the winning track. Easy win for Nico. From the first corner he was leading from the pole and then leading all the laps and get the fastest lap also. Easy 25 points to him. Okay, Sebastian Vettel can challenge Nico or Mercedes this weekend, but this is good second place. And then incredible Sergio Perez in third place. Very good weekend for the Perez. 2 practices very good. Third practice crash to the wall, but Force India fixed the car and Perez was second in qualifying but got 5 place grid penalty for the gearbox change. Okay, and Kimi Räikkönen fourth made an easy error with the pit lane entry line, get the 5 seconds penalty in the race, which make him drive hard to catch a podium place. Okay, he's fourth, and the fifth was Lewis Hamilton, who was very fast in practice but many errors in qualifying, and finally he hit the wall, dropped to 10th place in qualifying, and I thought that he overtakes many cars in race, but not. He was only 5th, and some problems with his engine mapping. He tried to ask help from the team radio, but team can't help him with the new rules. So he was in trouble with engine mapping, and that is one reason why he was only 5th in the race. Okay, then Valtteri Bottas 6th, Daniel Ricciardo, Max Verstappen, Nico Hülkenberg and Felipe Massa got points also. Okay, that was the race. Okay, from the first 10. Okay, and then we check the championship points. Okay, Nico Rosberg leading now with 24 points over Lewis Hamilton. Then Sebastian Vettel and Kimi Räikkönen is now 4th place. Daniel Ricciardo 5th place. Max Verstappen. Okay, so means easy Mercedes, Ferrari and 2 Red Bulls. Then Valtteri Bottas, Sergio Perez now moving to 8th place. Behind him Felipe Massa and Daniel Kvyat. Okay, and next time we continue with the Austrian Grand Prix. Hopefully we see more eventful race there, because I waited maybe too much from Baku F1 race, because GP2 race was the crash full, let me say, and there was no safety cars or crash or huge lockups in the F1 race. But okay, maybe we see some great races in the future at Baku. That's it all. Bye bye.